Here we have a 71 plate Porsche Taycan Turbo Cross Turismo. Now this vehicle has a big specification with just under £20,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but I will go over a few of them in this video. So starting off, we do have the 21-inch alloy wheels with the carbon fibre aero blades, which is an optional extra itself. We also have the white brake calipers behind, the jet black exterior paintwork, we have the LED headlights. There's a look at that front end. Now we also have a button just here on the key remote. Press that button and you can see it will lift up the bonnet. Just pull the latch up, you can see we have a little bit of storage just underneath there. And if I just close it back again, make sure that's all the way down. Coming around to the passenger side, you can see we have the second alloy wheel again unmarked down here. We also have the charging ports on either side. Put your hand underneath there and you can see it will open just like so. And again, put your hand there again and it will close. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. You'll also find we have the roof rails up top along with the rear spoiler just here. Now we do have the 360-degree cameras with the reversing camera of course and the visual display inside and parking sensors. We have the rear diffuser at the back along with the TAYCAN turbo badging in the centre. Again, we can press a button on the remote to open up the power operated tailgate. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space. We do have storage nets here on the left hand side along with extra pockets on either side underneath there. 12-volt connectivity. And there is a closer look inside. Coming back out, we also have a button. You can see press this button and it will close. Back round to the driver's side now, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if you take a look at the interior, so coming into the back first, you find we have the full black leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre. We have fixed ISO points as well back here. Both of the outer seats are also heated, controlled just down there in the centre with the vents. We also have the black door handles, again carbon fibre trim on the doors, electric windows and the premium Burmester sound system. Taking a look at the front, you'll also find we have the same leather seats. We also have the panoramic glass fixed roof just there, as you can see, really nice. In the interior, got the Porsche logo on the headrests. Let's look at both them front seats, both of which again are heated and they're also electrically adjustable, as you can see, controlled down there. We have the memory functions as well on both the front seats, electric windows with child lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors, Burmester sound system. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable. Taking the seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake and press the start button, then the vehicle will turn on. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control on that stalk down there. We also have the automatic lights you see just here on the left hand side. We then have the digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. We also have the heads-up display just up here, which if that's flickering or any other screens or lights flickering, just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We also have the drive selectors just here on the steering wheel, where you can change from the range, normal, sport, sport plus and individual drive modes. Let's leave it in normal for now. Moving across, you'll also find the main infotainment screen here in the centre. We also have the one just there for the passenger side, so if we just go off the setup wizard, you can see we have plenty of features on here. You would have seen them all on the photos, but we do have the sat-nav navigation. We have the radio stations with the media options. We also have the phone connectivity. We have the Burmester sound system, which you can change the options to plenty of different ways you can customize that. Then if you go onto car, you can also set up the individual drive modes. You can see we have all these different options which you can go through, along with the driver assistance, make it a safe vehicle to drive. Nice little clock here in the centre as well, just up there. But if you go onto home, you can see we have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also scroll further down and find further features just there. We then have another screen down here which has the heated seats either side. We also have the climate control, which has the ice-cold air conditioning as well. Now we have the cup holders just underneath here and also a armrest here in the centre. put the car into reverse, then you'll find the reversing camera with the 360 view on the right, but we can also press onto these buttons and you can go through the individual cameras, put it into drive, change it to the front facing camera. You see each angle works as it should do. Put it back into park by pressing P, and that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Porsche Taycan Turbo. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. And as you can see, I'm now to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left or to the right hand side and staying straight and true. Now of course we have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has plenty of buttons. We also have the cruise control and speed meter down here. The steering wheel is electrically adjustable with the stalk just underneath. We then have the different drive mode selector on the steering wheel, which is really handy to have. We have the digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different features and different displays. We also have the heads-up display as well, just above there, which is currently showing the digital speedometer, along with the speed limit for this current road. We then have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable. Could easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being electrically adjustable, again adds slight comfort level, and they're also heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now if you listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have plenty more features as well on the interior of the vehicle. Of course, we've got a sunroof just up there, main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav, but again has plenty of features you will see on the photos. We also have the secondary screen for the passenger as well. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so if we put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down, and then we're going to take the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes. When I put the car into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera and the 360 view appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever, and it changes to the front facing camera. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.